How you can get 8+ bands in IELTS exams. Hello and welcome to this video on how to get an 8+ band score in the IELTS exam. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and strategies that you can use to improve your performance in the exam and achieve a high score. Tip 1. Familiarize yourself with the exam format. To start, it's important to understand the format of each section of the IELTS exam. This includes the types of questions and the time limit for each section. Make sure you know what to expect on exam day by familiarizing yourself with the exam format. Tip 2. Build your vocabulary. Another important factor in achieving a high score is building your vocabulary. Reading extensively and practicing using new words in your writing and speaking can help you expand your vocabulary and improve your language skills. Tip 3. Practice regularly. Regular practice is essential to improving your language skills. Set aside time each day to practice listening, reading, writing, and speaking. This will help you develop your language skills and improve your overall performance in the exam. Tip 4. Learn grammar and sentence structure. Familiarizing yourself with the grammar and sentence structure required for the exam is also important. Make sure you understand the proper use of tenses, prepositions, articles, and conjunctions to help you communicate effectively. Tip 5. Take practice tests. Taking practice tests can help you get a sense of the exam format, types of questions, and time constraints. This will also help you identify areas where you need to improve and help you get accustomed to the pressure of taking the exam. Tip 6. Focus on your weak areas. Identifying your weak areas and focusing on improving them can help you perform better in the exam. For example, if you struggle with reading comprehension, practice reading passages and answering questions to improve your reading skills. Tip 7. Manage your time effectively. Time management is crucial in the IELTS exam. Learn to manage your time effectively during the exam by practicing completing sections within the time limit to ensure you have enough time to answer all the questions. Tip 8. Get feedback. Seeking feedback from a qualified teacher or tutor can help you identify areas where you can improve and provide guidance on how to improve your overall performance in the exam. Conclusion. By following these tips and strategies, you can increase your chances of achieving a high score in the IELTS exam. Remember, improving your language skills takes time and effort, but with regular practice and dedication, you can achieve your desired score. Thanks for watching.